I can't be kept off this mic, and it's true what I said at the start. Once you hand me a mic, we're going to continue on the theme here, and it has been a favourite. There's one of the tunes we had included in our tune tonight, and we're going to start off by playing this here. When you and I were young, Maggie, I know it's a tune you'll never get tired of. It is a favourite with us, has been for years, and you heard the story of it. We're going to continue with that. A young man in our midst here, Joel Stewart. There's a lot of people in the neighbourhood out round Tobermore, out round the Moss area hear this wee lone drummer playing in the distance. He plays steady, and now you can put a face to this drummer in his hand. He's going to lead this first tune for us here. He's just a first year at the school here, and I see a good proud grandfather sitting down there, and if you see a shine come of these drums, it's all to the thanks of Leslie Tyler, his grandfather. They drum the drum, dirty the drum, and he cleans it, so that's not a bad thing. Okay, thanks very much.